Hey y'all, it's now Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to Glenda and Ronnie's wife Deb and everybody that might be looking in. Happy Valentine's Day. It says on Facebook that today's my birthday, but I must have pushed the wrong button when I filled that stuff out. My birthday is actually the 16th. It's on Sunday, Daytona 500 day. That used to be a big deal. The Daytona 500 is a big stinker. NASCAR is a big stinker now. But just finishing up. I'm putting Rivet Nuts in the nose to hold the front of the driver panel down, so no bracket down below. I'm actually going to probably drill and put Rivet Nuts in here as well. I have nuts for right now, but it'll be nice to just be able to zap, 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 and take the whole NASA fairing or driver fairing off. What we're going to do is make a shelf out of aluminum, and we're going to attach it here, right? Just a little shelf to hold our, at least our e-box for our gauge, if not the battery pack as well. We'll see. You never know. Not exactly sure. The bracket will connect to, or the shelf will connect to here and here, and then come out, and then it may have a tab on the end and connect through the fairing here. So like I said, boom, 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 you take the stuff off. You can charge the battery. You can address batteries in the e-box deal as well. Sorry about the camera. But let me go ahead and set this this rivet nut here. I don't know if sitting you on this tire is probably not the best way to go. Let's put you on the gas cap. Okay. So you put the 3/4 wrench on. It's the rivet nut threads onto the tool. Okay, and that's standard right-left thread. This is left-hand thread though, the bolt that goes through the middle. And then this is about top and bottom are actually two pieces where that brass bit goes around, right? So you can tighten this thing down, but it won't spin the rivet nut. Now this one here, some of them have a key on them. They got a little bump, and then you'd have to file a little slot in whatever you're putting it in. But these don't. These are steel, actually. The aluminum rivet nuts might need the key. So you hold the Allen wrench, and I do quarter turn. Quarter turn at a time. The first two I counted about 6 or 7 turns. You can feel that it's starting to get tight. You go too much, you'll destroy the rivet nut, you'll ruin the plastic, pretty much all of it. So that's about it. You just loosen this up. The bolt comes. You loosen the set bolt. And I'm going to grab my glasses real fast because I can't see nothing up close. And you look at the depth of what you got going on in there with the rivet nut. You see this one hasn't been set yet. You see the depth in there compared to the depth there, the depth here, and the depth here. We're good. It's puckering the plastic a little bit, but these were a lot worse, and they seem to have eased up a bit. So I think it's just the matter of you're freaking the plastic out a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this one here, and then I'm gonna put it on, and then I'll bring you back real quick and brag about my work. Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better.